guys, see what I get today. So come on closer because I need to like closer unboxing it. Here I need to like untie it. So yeah, there's like untie it. So what we got? It's Black Friday sale. Dun, 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 dun. So let's see. Oopsie. It's Dior. There you go. Let's see what's inside. Let's look what's inside of Dior. Oopsie, I don't want to ruin it, but ready? Already? I'm excited. There's a Dior. And there's like thing, look at that. So let's see what's inside of the Dior car. And there's of course the inside of the Dior. It's a lipstick. Check. There's another one. And there's another one. So look at that. It's a Dior. Can't wait to use it. And there's, aside from this, they have like, let's put that inside. And they have this. Let's see. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. I think this is the sample. It's the sample. I don't know how to pronounce that. And there's another one. And there's more of the freebie in here. Let's see. Let's see what's in here. Show. Oh my god. I try not to ruin it, but it's open. Oh my goodness, I don't know what's this. Oh, it's a keychain. It's a keychain from Dior. And there's from that, there's one more. Let's see what's in here. It's heavy. It's super heavy. Oh my god, I'll just like cut it off instead. So there you go. Let's see. There's another Dior that it comes in the package. Oh my god, it's another lipstick. Oh my goodness. It comes with it. Let's see. It's a mini lipstick. Let's see what's look like. There you go. A tiny mini Dior. And I think the other one is, it comes with a mirror. So it's a mirror from Dior. So let's see. Oh my goodness, there you go. It's a mirror from Dior. Ding ding ding. So this is what I got from Black Friday sale. This one, and with the keychain. And where's the lipstick? Okay, with the two lipstick. And with the pouch, the pouch. There you go. Thank you for watching. Bye.